Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Madurai location. Let us see what are the job openings available and let us discuss in detail. Attention please. Do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job openings for the overseer and junior drafting officer for the department Rural Development Department, Madurai district. You can check with the given website address and you can browse. You can download the application. You can get to know more information about application process and you can apply for the job. And qualification details, everything in detail. They provided information on the official website address under notifications category. If you face any problem, let me know in comments. I'll be replying for that. And last date to apply for the job is January 8th, 2021. Let me know if you have any queries or questions on this, and you have to browse the official website address https://madurai.nic.in/. Next, there is a job openings for Rooster Pixel. They are looking for professional video editor position. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 20,000 a month based upon your skill set and experience. Both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role. Qualification, if you see, you should have a 1 year of experience in video editing and should have knowledge of Adobe Premiere Pro tool. You can share your resume at the provided email ID or you can contact on the given phone number for further information. Email ID is rosterpixelofficial@gmail.com and contact number is 8012733328. Next, there is a job openings for junior research fellow or project associate. They are hiring for MK University and salary offered up to 31,000 per month. You can see there is a email ID. You can share your detailed biodata along with your academic and contact details. You have to include your resume and your certificates, academic copies or scanned copies to the provided email ID on or before January 4th, 2021. Email ID is mailmurugan.chem@mkuniversity.ac.in. And there is a selection procedure provided here. Qualification is MSc and this is for freshers. You will be the applicants whoever apply, they will be shortlisted through entrance examination. The shortlisted candidates only called for the interview on the same day. So the selected candidates will be eligible to register at for PhD at Madurai Kamaraj University. So you can share your biodata along with your academic certificate scanned copies to the provided email ID on or before January 4th, 2021, and this is for junior research fellow or project associate. Salary offered up to 31,000 per month. Next, there is a job openings for Jayshree Spunbond. They are looking for factory supervisor. Salary offered up to 10,000 per month. Should be able to communicate in Tamil and Hindi languages as well. And qualification, if you see, should we have a diploma or any degree. And both freshers and experienced candidates are eligible for the job role, and you should know the languages English, Tamil and Hindi, and only male candidates are eligible for the job role, and job location will be Madurai. Working hours will be up to 12 hours and it is like a rotational day shift and night shift also will be there. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9345946403. Next, there is a job opening for Stepway Services. They are looking for assembly, operative, production, and quality departments. They have vacancies. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 16,000 a month, and only male candidates are eligible for this job role. They have up to 20 vacancies. Qualification, if you see, they should have a BE mechanical and electrical and electronics engineering, or electronics and communication engineering, or diploma in mechanical engineering, or diploma in electrical and electronics engineering, or diploma in electronics and communication engineering, or ITI. All these qualifications are eligible for the job role, and the candidate might be 2018 or 2019 or 2020 passed out. Only for fresher candidates this is the job vacancies available. And accommodation and mess facilities also provided. And this is like a pump and motor assembling engineer position. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9629564375 and 8778728891. Next, there is a job openings for Vidum Srinu, the proprietor of Sun City Star Technology. They are looking for system administrator position. Salary offered 2.5 lakhs a year, and this is for freshers. Should be able to configure and troubleshoot the PC hardware components, should be able to configure Outlook LAN setup, and they should be able to troubleshoot them as well. Should have a knowledge of MS Outlook, DNS, DHCP. So you can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 7252888792. Next, there is a job openings for 33 Herbals. They are looking for production chemist. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 15,000 per month. And this is like a Ayurvedic manufacturing chemist position. So you can check with the job description details here. They given in detail information. The contact number is 9940482348. Next, there is a job openings for Solai Malai Enterprises. They are looking for MIS executive. Salary offered up to 10,000 a month, and should have a knowledge of system. Up to 1 year of experience is required. Salary offered up to 10,000 along with incentives, and ESI PF facilities available, and bonus will be offered, and accident policy coverage is there, and yearly rewards are offered. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9095233411. Next, there is a job openings for Elamal Medical College and Hospital and Research Institute. They are looking for CSSD technician. Salary offered up to 10,000 per month. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9600352211, and there is basic information about the job role and duties. You can check with that. Next, there is a job openings for NIMS for the job role value banker. Salary offered up to 21,000 per month, and they are looking for freshers and professionals experienced as well. Both should be a graduate, arts or engineering background, BE, BTech, or UG or PG candidates also eligible. Age limit is up to 24. Good communications, both oral and verbal, is required, and you should have minimum 50% in all the education qualifications. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9087722266. Next, there is a job openings for Menora Stationery Private Limited. They are looking for leather or PU tailors. Salary offered up to 15,000 a month. You can see there is a what is the work about the job role, detailed information provided here. You can check with that. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9500954407. Next, there is a job openings for Churcher Investigators Private Limited. They are looking for field investigator. Salary offered up to 15,000 a month, and there is a both like part-time job is there and full-time job vacancy also available. Education qualification is should be a graduate, and they are also giving a food allowance and a petrol allowance also. You should have a two-wheeler and along with driving license, and you should have a knowledge of the particular area in the city Madurai. You can contact on the given phone number between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Contact number is 7249084920. Next, there is a job openings for Excel Solutions for XML EPUB operator. Qualification diploma or graduate of any college degree, and should have 1 year of experience minimum in e-publishing field. Should have a good communication skills. You should be able to work in flexible shifts. You should be a good team player. You can contact on the given phone number, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. Email ID is info@extel.in and contact number is +914524500894. Next, there is a job openings for Sri Aman Enterprises. They are looking for helper positions. You can contact on the given phone number for further information, and salary offered up to 12,000 a month. The minimum qualification is SSLC or 10th, and freshers are eligible for the job role. And you should have a active listening attitude and a respectful attitude and well mannered attitude. And the minimum qualification 10th pass or fail, a diploma or +2. There is a ESI PF food and accommodation facilities also provided by the company. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9384117845. Next, there is a job openings for Athray Technologies. They are looking for XML operators. Salary offered up to 20,000 a month. You should have knowledge of book and journal conversion. You should have knowledge in math type, table and reference coding. You should have knowledge of epsilon macro. You should have knowledge in PDF compare. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9841934242. Next, there is a job openings for Anakmos India Private Limited. They are looking for maintenance technician. Salary offered up to 15,000 a month. And there is a roles and responsibilities, work requirements. They given detailed information, and this is only for Madurai candidates who is local. They will be preferred. They will be considered. You can see you should have a experience as a maintenance technician. You should have high school diploma or degree. Qualification is that, and should have a professional presentation attitude, and you should be able to focus on the work and working, or you should be able to work on yourself individually. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9655567433. Next, there is a job opening for BUDDI.ai. The organization, they are looking for radiology medical coder. You can see it is a US based health tech company, deep learning based cloud platform, automating revenue cycle. Like there is basic information what the company works, what is the technology. So you can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 6380875624. Salary offered up to 33,000 a month based upon your skill set and experience. Next, there is a job openings for Life Education Private Limited for the job role admission counselor. Salary offered up to 10,000 a month, and only female candidate is eligible for the job role, and this is direct recruitment for administration work. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9751451936. Next, there is a job openings for Satyam Bio Private Limited. They are looking for field officer. Salary offered up to 12,000 a month. Qualification, if you see, should be a BSc Agriculture graduate, and also other degrees are 12th standard diploma in agriculture with relevant experience. So this is the education qualification, and should be a fresher or minimum 1 year of experience in agriculture input marketing. Age limit is minimum 20 years and up to 28 years will be considered. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. And Two-wheeler is mandatory for this job role, and salary offered up to 12,000, and along with attractive allowances and incentives also offered. Job location Madurai, Theni, Dindigal, Kodaikanal, all these locations have vacancies. You should have experience in, like, if you have experience, you should have experience in field sales of agricultural goods. You should be able to interact with the direct farmers and coordinate with the distributors, retails, and you should be able to maintain the relationship with them. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8012580670. Next, there is a job openings for Solitaire Infotech Solution. They are looking for WordPress expert. Salary offered 1.4 lakhs to 3.4 lakhs per year, depending upon your skill set and experience. You should be able to develop and maintain the WordPress websites. You should have knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You should be able to work with server management and hosting management. You should be able to perform UI test to optimize performance of the websites. Architecture also you should be able to manage. So these are all the required skill set and responsibilities they mentioned. You should have knowledge of Photoshop. You can share your resume at the provided WhatsApp number, or you can call. The contact number is 8791852357. Next, there is a job openings for Excel Solutions. They are looking for InDesign Paginator. The qualification, if you see, should be a graduate. Minimum 1 to 3 years of experience is required in pagination field, and should have good communication skills. You should be able to work in shifts. So responsibilities provided here, you can check with that. You can contact on the given phone number, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID for further information, further process. Email ID is info@extel.in and contact number is 914524500894. Next, there is a job openings for Intermedics Healthcare LLP. They are looking for ASM and for medical devices. The salary offered 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs per year. Qualification, if you see, should be a graduate, BSc or B Pharmacy or BE Biomedical. Minimum 2 to 8 years of experience is required, and job location will be Madurai. The candidate who is having one two-wheeler, they will be considered preferred. You can contact on the given phone number between 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. from Monday to Friday for further information, further process. You can check with the what is the roles and responsibilities they clearly given here. You can check with that. Contact number is 7506480355. Next, there is a job openings for Insol. They are looking for English trainer or life skill trainer. Salary offered up to 12,000 a month. Qualification, any degree, and should have 2 years of experience. You should have good communication skills, and you can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 7094303474. Next, there is a job openings for Stridec. They are looking for web designer positions. Salary offered up to 25,000 a month. You can check. They should have knowledge of heat map analysis, UI evaluation methods like heat map analysis, variant based evaluation, and you should have experience working with HTML, web design, CSS3, Bootstrap, like this. Some software programming language they given, and you should have knowledge of WordPress, JavaScript, Angular. That will be added advantage. So you can check with the other details here clearly given. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 8610185240. That's it in this video, guys. I will be coming up with more updated job openings for Madurai location as early as possible. I will release a new video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos for Madurai location. Thank you so much for your love and support. Have a great day.